Hey friends, it's your boy Joey. The video I did work on this weekend got canceled because I couldn't finish the project. Well, maybe not canceled, put on hold. And I didn't know what to video after that because everything kind of fell apart. But disaster struck today. On my way to work, I heard a big clang, maybe half a mile from my parking spot. Yeah, to show you what happened. She kind of fell apart there, bud. This, I'll put it under here, is supposed to be attached right there. And then these big goobery things are supposed to be in here. And this boot, the flexi thing here, is supposed to be covering it all up so the grease stays in and the sand and dirt and snow and shit don't get in there. When I got out of work, this piece was dangling down here and the other one was dangling one bolt right there. All the bolts except for one had fallen out. I think it's a case of my own fault again because I forgot the thread locker. But it's only a few miles home. I did the ratchet strap, hold it in place, limped her home. We're going to temporarily put this back together. We're supposed to go to a ball game tomorrow. We're supposed to go out to the dunes on Sunday. And I don't have money to replace the shaft I just bought like a year ago. It's like another $200. So, yeah. I'm home from work. Took forever. I'm gonna try and get this done real quick. And then, yeah. We'll see how this goes and I'll update you in a little bit. Don't look at the jack. I know it's not safe. But we're just barely off the ground, so if it drops, nothing's gonna happen. But, as you can see, it's all together. And I gotta see if I can find a new boot. Or something. Because that thing is not good. Or I'll do a duct tape repair job. I don't know. We're gonna find out Saturday. But this is Joey out. And don't forget to Loctite your bolts in. And make sure and go around and do a double check to make sure everything's tight. I went around like 4 times. So I'm guessing I either forgot the Loctite, forgot to go around to make sure everything's tight, or maybe I did both. And just so you know, Loctite is your friend. Joey signing off. Peace out.